The importance of cybersecurity, protecting your digital life. The last few months have been nothing short of a cyber thriller. From megacorporations to government agencies, no one has been spared. It's not just about stolen data anymore. It's about the survival of businesses and the security of nations. Cybersecurity is the digital shield that stands between your personal data and cybercriminals. Cyberattacks are evolving, becoming more sophisticated by the day. Your bank details, your health records, your identity, all at risk. But with strong cybersecurity measures, you can sleep peacefully. Cybersecurity is like insurance for your digital life. It's your virtual bodyguard. Indian Cybersecurity Solutions is your gateway to becoming a cyber defender. We offer cutting-edge courses taught by industry experts. Here, you'll learn the latest cybersecurity techniques, ethical hacking, and how to safeguard yourself and your organization from cyber threats. Don't wait for the next cyber catastrophe to strike. In the digital era, cybersecurity isn't just a choice. It's your shield against the dark forces of the internet. Join us at Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, and let's turn the tables on cybercrime.